Stick around as we share some valuable safety tips for your next DIY home improvement project. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful tips and tutorials. Let's get started. The first step in any DIY project is planning. Take the time to carefully plan your project, including a detailed list of tasks, required materials and tools. This will not only help you stay organized, but also minimize the chances of accident. Protect yourself from potential hazards by wearing the appropriate safety gear. This includes safety glasses, gloves, ear protection, and a dust mask. Depending on your project, you may also need a hard hat and steel-toed boots. Remember, safety first. Using the right tools for the job is essential. Make sure your tools are in good working condition, and always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Don't forget to use the right tool for each specific task to prevent accidents and injuries. Accidents can happen, even with the best precautions. Be prepared by having a well-stocked first aid kit on hand. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any specific items relevant to your project. And there you have it, some essential safety tips for your DIY home improvement projects. Remember, a safe project is a successful project. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your own safety tips in the comments below.